In KNX systems with the specific safety and protection requirements, the alarm system of CBSE allows for users to be warned about critical system statuses. These alerts can consist of simple on-screen messages, but it is also possible to automatically send emails or SMS texts. If we wish to use the sending of emails or SMS, we should configure an SMTP or VoIP server respectively. In order to see how to configure these servers, please see the corresponding section. In order to access the Alarms module, we go to Modules, Alarms, Control. As we can see, the Alarms configuration window is divided into 3 tabs. In the first one, we can manage, optionally, a list of contacts to be the recipients of the alarm messages. These contacts are actually only required when we intend to send a warning related to an alarm via email or SMS. We can create a contact with the button Add, and a form will be displayed. The name and surname of the contact must be filled in, as well as his or her list of emails or telephone numbers. Finally, we press the button Save in order to store the contact. In the second tab of the configuration window, we can manage the messages for the different alarms in the system. We can create a message with the button Add, and a form will be displayed. Here we can configure the text of the message to be sent with the different types of warnings, as well as the list of emails and telephone numbers that qualify as recipients for the warning. Also, we might choose to send a value to the process point as a different way of warning. Finally, we press the button Save in order to store the message. The third tab of the configuration window is where we can manage the system's alarms. We can create an alarm with the button Add, and will be presented with a form that is divided into 4 sections. The first section contains the basic data of the alarm, the name, the process point, and the condition that triggers the alarm. The pre-configured message that will be sent. Also, other basic optional parameters such as the visualization of the alarm in the welcome screen. If we wish for the alarm to be sent each time, the condition is met only the first time until going back to the status without alarm, or the possibility not to show the visual pop-up message. In the second tab, we find some additional properties that can become useful under certain circumstances. Especially helpful would be the priority and the category, which allow for a better overview of the alarms, as well as an improvement of the system's control. We can define the access level of each user to the specific alarm. The third tab is meant for the configuration of the advanced alarm parameters. It is possible to link the process points so as to manually control the alarm status. In the last tab, we might determine the actions to undertake in special situations. Finally, we press the button Save in order to store the alarm. Thank you for your attention.